Visual C++ Runtime Library error on Windows 11 10 PC. Issue: Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime Library error appears while opening games or applications. Step 1. Restart your PC. Close all running applications. Restart your computer properly. Launch the app or game again. Step 2. Install latest Visual C++ redistributables. Download the latest Microsoft Visual C++ packages. Install both x64 and x86 versions. Restart the PC after installation. Step 3. Repair existing Visual C++ packages. Open Control Panel, Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Click Modify, Repair for each package. Step 4. Update Windows. Open Windows Update Settings. Install all pending updates. Restart the system after updating. Step 5. Run System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc scanow. Wait for Windows to repair corrupted files. Step 6. Use DISM Repair Tool. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run DSM Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health. Restart the PC after the repair finishes. Step 7. Reinstall the problematic app. Uninstall the crashing application completely. Delete leftover cache and config files. Install the latest version again. Step 8. Disable startup applications. Open Task Manager, Startup Apps. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Restart your PC and test again. Step 9. Update graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel drivers. Restart your computer after updating. Check if the runtime error is fixed. Step 10. Perform a clean boot. Open System Configuration, msconfig, disable non-Microsoft startup services, restart Windows and test the application again.